Samsung users have been looking forward to the One UI 7.0 update, but the wait has been longer than usual. In the past, Samsung has rolled out major software updates much sooner, but this time things seem to be running behind schedule. Many users are wondering when their devices will finally get the stable version of One UI 7.0. Now, a recent leak claims to have revealed the release dates for several Galaxy smartphones, giving users an idea of when they can expect the update. According to reports, this information came from a Samsung Romania event during a Galaxy S25 workshop, where details were allegedly shared in a Zoom call. The source suggests that the information originally came from Samsung Korea, adding some credibility to the leak. However, it's always good to take unofficial leaks with some caution, since schedules can change due to unexpected issues or final testing phases. Based on the leaked timeline, the Galaxy S24 series might be the first to receive One UI 7.0, with the rollout reportedly starting on April 18. The Galaxy S23 lineup, including the Fan Edition, is said to be next in line, with an expected release date of April 25. For those using the Galaxy S22 series, the wait could be a little longer as the update might arrive around May 16. The Galaxy S21 and its Fan Edition are rumored to receive it on May 23. For Galaxy A users, the rollout is expected to begin with the A54 on April 25, while the A53, A33, and A34 could receive the update around May 16. Interestingly, there was no mention of the Galaxy A30 sticks or A50 sticks in the leaked details, but given Samsung's update history, it's likely they will receive One UI 7.0 around the same time as the Galaxy S23 series. Foldable phones are also included in the leaked schedule. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 are expected to be among the first to receive the update, with an April 18 release date. The Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5 might follow on April 25. Meanwhile, the Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 are expected to get the update on May 16, while older models like the Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3 may have to wait until May 23. If this information turns out to be correct, some users may be disappointed by the wait time, especially those with older Galaxy devices. The S24 series users might get their update within the next 2 months, while other models will see the new software between April and May. It's always exciting to receive a major software update, as it often brings improvements in performance, security, and overall user experience. One UI 7.0 is expected to introduce several new features, including smoother animations, better battery optimization, and improved privacy controls. Samsung has been consistently improving its software, ensuring that its users get the best experience possible. However, despite this leak, there's no official confirmation from Samsung yet, so it's best to stay patient until the company makes an announcement. Software updates can sometimes face delays due to last-minute bug fixes or optimization needs, so these dates might change. If you're eager to try the update early, you can keep an eye out for beta programs, as Samsung sometimes allows users to test the new software before the final release. For now, all we can do is wait and see if these leaked dates turn out to be accurate. Hopefully, Samsung will confirm the official schedule soon. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on software releases and tech news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Have you ever imagined just how slim a smartphone can get without sacrificing its performance? Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge may be on the brink of answering that question, but there's a twist to the story. The Galaxy S25 Edge is poised to give Apple's iPhone 17 Air a run for its money. Both of these upcoming smartphones are expected to wow us with their incredibly slim designs, but the real question is, how slim can they go while still offering the powerful features we expect from premium devices? The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25 millimeters thick, while the Galaxy S25 Edge could potentially come in even thinner at 6.4 millimeters, with some speculations hinting that it may be as thin as 5.8 millimeters. But let's not focus solely on how thin these phones are. There's also something else to consider. OnePlus is preparing to unveil the Open 2, which could be as thin as 4 millimeters when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone at just 4 millimeters. However, let's return to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has sparked plenty of buzz due to its early performance results. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench, a well-known benchmarking tool that evaluates a phone's performance by testing its processor, graphics, and overall speed. It measures how well a device handles multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. The first test results for the Galaxy S25 Edge were exactly consistent, with a score of 3005 in the single-core test and 6945 in the multi-core test. But more recent results have shown a notable shift. The updated benchmarks show that the Galaxy S25 Edge scored 2,806 in the single-core test, slightly lower than before, but it achieved a much stronger score of 8,416 in the multi-core test. This suggests that the phone could be more efficient at handling multiple tasks at once, which is a major plus for those who use their phones for gaming or multitasking. That said, it's important to remember that these are early test results and the device isn't official yet, so these figures should be taken with a pinch of salt. Performance aside, Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature some impressive specs, including a 200-megapixel main camera that will surely appeal to photography enthusiasts. On the front, the phone will likely sport a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The display will be equipped with an LTPO panel that offers a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. If that's not bright enough for you, I'm not sure what is. For durability, Samsung is expected to include an Arbor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making the Galaxy S25 Edge resistant to drops and scratches. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge will likely be powered by 12 GB of random access memory, RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring that the device runs fast and efficiently, even when handling large files and apps. It will also feature support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring quick data transfer and seamless connectivity. In terms of charging, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to support 25-watt charging speeds. While this might not be the fastest charging solution available, it should be more than enough for quick top-ups throughout the day. As for the processor, while it hasn't been officially confirmed, it's likely that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with Samsung likely sticking with Qualcomm for this generation. We might see Exynos chips return in the Galaxy S26, but for now, the Snapdragon 8 Elite seems like the safer choice. One thing to keep in mind is the battery. While the battery might be smaller than previous models, the Snapdragon 8 Elite's efficiency should allow the Galaxy S25 Edge to last all day without any major issues. At least it better. If you're as excited about the Galaxy S25 Edge as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have you been waiting for the One UI 7 update on your Samsung phone? The wait could be nearly over. For the past few months, Samsung fans have been on edge, watching as Galaxy S24 series owners enjoy the beta version of the upcoming update. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, wondering when they'll finally get their hands on the new version. Well, the end of the wait might be closer than we think. Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the exact release date, there are several strong indicators that the update could roll out very soon. A key clue is the upcoming launch of the Galaxy S25 series. These new flagship devices will ship with One UI 7 already installed, and they're set to hit shelves on February 7. It's likely that Samsung has been holding off on the global One UI 7 release to keep the focus on the Galaxy S25 series launch. Once those new devices are out in the wild, Samsung will likely begin releasing the update for older models.